What's going on, guys? It's Demir from Bag Riders, and today we're going to be talking about how much air suspension costs. Let's jump into it. Typically, an air suspension kit will cost between $2,000 and $7,000. Our most popular kits average to around $3,500. This will include the front and rear suspension, air tank, compressor, control system, and all of the associated plumbing and wiring. So what about the cost of installation? Well, it really depends. It can be as low as $500 to several thousand, and even more than that depending on how custom you want your management to look like. Alternately, you can do the install yourself and save yourself some money. Knowing that there is a variation in cost, Bag Riders stocks a number of kits and options to suit your budget. You can also hop onto our website, bagriders.com, enter your vehicle, and play around with the drop-down menu to customize your kit. If you still have any questions, you can contact our friendly staff at sales@bagriders.com. Demir, out.